Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are safe. So today we're gonna make this bag out of a mobile phone cover. So for that you'll need a phone cover or a box, a black tape, a pair of scissors, some glue. Here I have fabric glue, a belt that you can attach to the bag later, and a fabric. I love this fabric, so I'm going to use that one. Now face the box facing each other, and then tape the upper part of the box so that it will be easy to get a movement or a grip. Then just take some glue, attach the fabric overall the box. Here you can see the procedure, but you can do however or whatever you want to do. It's not compulsory that you follow the thing that I have done here, but this is just a demo for you guys so that you guys can have a rough figure of what I'm trying to achieve here. As you can see, after the draping and covering the box with the fabric, you'll have something like this. I went ahead and secured the border with the tape. I know it looks kind of rough, but this is just a demo of recycling the box, and I've attached the cloth inside the box so that it will hold the grip, and whenever you keep your stuff inside it won't fall out. And I also went ahead and attached 2 of the strips so that we can attach the belt in it later. So here I'm taking a zipper and attaching it inside the box so that we'll have a opening part to the bag. So here you have the end result. You can pair it up with anything, style any way you want to. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.